Hey, are you noticing wrinkles on your face that seem to appear overnight? Or maybe your skin feels dull and lifeless no matter how much cream you put on it? What if I told you that the real secret to younger-looking skin and lasting energy isn't found in expensive serums or injections, but in simple remedies that you can make right at home? And here's the shocking part. Some of these work almost instantly if you use them the right way. Stay with me, because what you're about to learn will challenge everything you've been told about anti-aging, and I promise that by the end of this video, you'll discover natural solutions that most people completely overlook. The truth is, aging is something we can't avoid. But here's the problem. Modern lifestyles have made us age faster than ever. Stress, junk food, late nights staring at screens, and polluted air all speed up the process. That's why even people in their 20s complain of wrinkles, gray hairs, low energy, and constant aches. You've probably seen it around you. Young faces with tired eyes, hair losing its shine, or skin that looks older than its age. That's the reality of unnatural aging. And yet the good news is this. Nature has already given us everything we need to slow this process down. We just need to know where to look. So let's break this down. I'll show you 7 powerful anti-aging home remedies backed by tradition and modern science that can give you visible results if you stick with them. And I'll also reveal the one hidden daily habit that might secretly be making you look older every single day. Let's start with something you might have heard about, but probably underestimated: Triphala. This isn't just one herb, it's actually a blend of 3 fruits: Amla, Harad, and Baheda. Imagine these 3 working together like a natural repair team for your skin. Triphala helps rebuild your skin proteins, protects against cell damage, and most importantly, keeps your skin hydrated from within. Think about it like giving your skin an internal moisturizer, instead of just applying cream on the outside. All you need to do is soak 2 teaspoons of Triphala powder in a glass of water overnight. In the morning, drink it on an empty stomach. Want to make it even more powerful? Add a cinnamon stick before soaking it, and in the morning, mix in a spoon of honey. Cinnamon is rich in antioxidants and has strong anti-inflammatory properties, which means it helps fight off the exact processes that make your skin wrinkle and sag. This simple mix doesn't just slow down skin aging, it can also refresh your energy for the day. But here's something even stronger. Remedy number 2. Amla, also known as Indian gooseberry. If Triphala is the repair team, Amla is like the architect, rebuilding your skin with its rich dose of vitamin C. This fruit helps reduce wrinkles, lightens pigmentation, and improves your skin tone. It also boosts collagen production, which is basically the protein that keeps your skin firm and bouncy. Without collagen, skin becomes thin and starts to fold into wrinkles. Here's the easiest way to use it. Take 20 to 30 milliliters of amla juice, dilute it with warm water, and drink it in the morning on an empty stomach. Want to make it tastier and even more beneficial? Add a spoon of jaggery powder. Jaggery purifies your blood, improves iron levels, and naturally gives your skin a glow from inside. And here's a secret tip. Mix amla juice with a teaspoon of ginger juice and a pinch of turmeric. The curcumin in turmeric is a powerful antioxidant that preserves cells and even promotes new ones. This trio, amla, ginger, turmeric, acts like a shield against premature aging. Now let's move to remedy number 3, something most people ignore but should definitely pay attention to. Giloy. This climbing herb may not be as famous as turmeric or amla, but it's incredibly powerful when it comes to anti-aging. Giloy helps rejuvenate skin tissues, reduces inflammation, and boosts immunity at the same time. The flavonoids in Giloy fight cellular damage and promote new cell growth. What does that mean for you? It means fewer wrinkles, more glow, and a stronger body to fight off the daily stressors that make you look older. You can easily find Giloy juice or tablets in stores, and consuming them once or twice a day, as directed on the bottle, is enough to get these benefits. Imagine your skin looking refreshed while your body feels lighter and stronger. It's like hitting 2 targets at once. But let's not stop there. Remedy number 4 is something that smells good, tastes good, and works wonders for your skin: rosemary. The antioxidants in rosemary help fight free radicals, those invisible molecules that break down your skin's elasticity and cause premature wrinkles. Applying rosemary oil to your skin can improve its texture, reduce fine lines, and even increase circulation so your face looks naturally brighter. And here's an interesting twist. You don't even need to apply it to see benefits. Just smelling fresh rosemary daily can reduce stress and inflammation, which again slows down the signs of aging. So next time you're cooking or making tea, keep some rosemary nearby. Your skin and mind will thank you. Now, remedy number 5 might be sitting quietly in your kitchen right now. Spinach. Yes, the green leafy vegetable we often ignore is a goldmine of anti-aging nutrients. Spinach is loaded with vitamins A, C, E, and K, along with magnesium, iron, and lutein. All of these together keep your cells strong and hydrated. Spinach has high water content, which means it helps your skin stay soft and moist naturally. You can cook it as a simple sabzi, add it to your dal, or blend it into a juice. No matter how you eat it, spinach acts like a daily beauty tonic for your skin and body. And here's where it gets even more interesting. Remedy number 6 isn't a single ingredient. It's about creating what's called a rainbow plate. That means eating a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables every day. Each color represents different nutrients and antioxidants. For example, red tomatoes give you lycopene, orange carrots give you beta-carotene, green veggies give you chlorophyll, and purple foods like berries bring anthocyanins. All of these nutrients work together to protect your skin's elasticity and prevent sagging. Think of it this way: the more colors on your plate, the more defense your body has against aging. The most important vitamins for skin, A, C, D, E, and K, all come naturally when you eat this rainbow diet. Now, for remedy number 7, let's talk about something most people never think about: cooking methods. Did you know the way you cook your food could make you age faster? Fast cooking methods like frying or grilling at high heat can actually produce harmful chemicals that accelerate aging. On the other hand, slow cooking methods like steaming or gentle boiling preserve nutrients and help your body absorb them better. For example, slow-cooked broccoli or cauliflower retains its antioxidants far better than when it's fried or roasted at high heat. So, slowing down your cooking can literally slow down your aging. Now let me add one more powerful point that ties all of this together. You can follow every single remedy here, but if you don't manage your stress, you'll still see signs of aging. Stress is one of the biggest hidden triggers of early aging. It weakens your skin, affects your digestion, and even shows up as dark circles and dullness. That's why practices like deep breathing, yoga, or even just smiling more can make such a big difference. Your mind and body are directly connected. When your mind relaxes, your cells relax too, and that keeps you looking younger naturally. So let's quickly recap. Triphala to repair, Amla to rebuild, Giloy to rejuvenate, rosemary to protect, spinach to nourish, rainbow plates to balance, slow cooking to preserve, and stress management to sustain it all. Together, these aren't just remedies, they're a lifestyle shift. If you're serious about looking and feeling younger, these are the steps that will help you get there. And remember, this is just the start. There are so many more natural solutions out there, and we've covered them in detail on our website. If you want deeper insights, expert health tips, and product reviews that can support your wellness journey, check out Nutrizlab.com. Don't click away yet, because the next video has even more tips to help you stay younger and healthier for longer. So hit subscribe and watch the next one right now.